Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashan, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 6 years. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you algebraic expressions. In this algebraic expressions, we are going to learn multiplying two monomials, multiplying three or more monomials, multiplying a binomial by a monomial, multiplying a trinomial by a monomial, multiplying a binomial by a binomial, multiplying a trinomial by a trinomial, identity, some important identities, and application of identities. Let us learn one by one. Multiplying two monomials. To multiply two monomials, first we have to multiply the constant terms. Let us observe these two examples to understand this. These are constants. 5 and 4 are constants. First we have to multiply. Then variables. X into x square. Five fours are, first we have to multiply this. 5 fours are 20. X into x square. Here bases are equal, so we can add these powers. X to the power of 1 plus 2, 3. 20x cube. Second example, 5. First we have to multiply the constants. 5 and minus 4 are constants. 5 into minus 4. Then variables, x into xyz. X into xyz, xyz. If there are variables, we can keep to indicate into dot. We can keep dot to indicate into. Plus into minus, minus 5 fours are 20. X into x square. YZ. So this is the answer. Multiplying three or more monomials. To understand, let us observe two examples. Find the product of 5x, 6y, 7z. Five x into 6y into 7z. First we have to separate the constants and variables, grouping the constants and variables. 5, 6, 7 into x into y into z. 5 6 are 30. 3 7s are 21. 2 10 xyz. Second problem, find 3x square y into 4xy square into 7x cube y cube. 3x square y into 4xy square into 7x cube y cube. This is given. 3 into 4 into 7 into, no need of writing here, into x square y, xy square into x cube y cube. 3 4s are 12, 12 7s are 12 7s are 84, x square into x to the power 1 x cube plus 3 x to the power of 6 x to the power of 2 plus 1 plus 3 y to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 84 x to the power of 6 y to the power of 6. Multiplying a binomial by a monomial. To understand this, here we have two examples. This is a monomial, this is a binomial. While multiplying a binomial by monomial, we have to follow this method. A into b plus c is equal to a into b, ab, a into c plus a into c, ac. We have to follow this method. So 4xy into 2x minus 4xy into 2x minus 4xy into y plus minus 4xy into minus y, or we can multiply directly minus into minus to plus. Like this we can write plus, minus into plus minus, 4 2s are 8 x square y, minus into minus plus 4 xy square. So this is the answer. 5x into 6y, 5x into 6y plus 5x into 3, 5 6 are 30 xy plus 5 3s are 15 x. Multiplying a trinomial by a monomial. Example 1. To solve like this problem, we have to follow like this: a into b plus c plus d. Monomial, trinomial, a into b, ab plus a into c, ac plus a into d, ad. So this is the method of solving the multiplying trinomial by a monomial. 2x into 3x plus 2x into 4y plus 2x into minus 6, or we can multiply plus into minus, minus we can write like that also. 2 3 is 6x square plus 2 4s are 8xy minus plus into minus minus 2 6 are 12x. Multiplying a binomial by a binomial. To multiply a binomial by a binomial, we have to multiply like this: a into c plus d plus b into c plus d, that is ac plus ad, bc plus bd. We can directly multiply like this: ac plus ad, bc plus bd. So we can multiply directly: 5x into 3x, 5x into 2x plus into minus minus 5x into 2y. Next 6y into 3x plus into minus minus 6y into 2y. 5 3s are 15x square, 5 2s are 10xy, 6 3s are 18xy, 6 2s are 12y square. So 15x square, these two are 6 3s are 18xy, yx x xy yx. So these are like terms. We have to add this 18 minus 10 8 xy minus 12 y square. So this is the final answer. Multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. A plus b into, this is a binomial, c plus d plus e, this is trinomial. This is the method of multiplying a into c, ac, a into d, ad plus a into e, ae plus b into c, bc plus b into d, bd plus b into e, be. So this is the method of finding by a binomial by a trinomial. 2x into 3x plus 2x into 4y plus into minus minus 2x into 5z plus into minus plus into plus plus 3y into 3x plus 3y into 4y plus into minus minus 3y into 5z. 2 3s are 6x square plus 2 4s are 8 xy, 2 5s are 10 xz, 3 3s are 9 xy. We have to write the variable in alphabetical order to simplify easily. 3 4s are 12 y square minus 3 5s are 15 yz. xy, here xy, here xy. So these only like terms. 6x square, 8 plus 9 17 xy minus 10 xz plus 12 y square minus 15 yz. Identity. What is an identity? Identity is an equation which is true for all values of variables in the equation. On the other hand, an equation is true for only certain values of its variables. All identities are equations, but all equations are not identities, which is true for all values of variables in the equation, is only identity. For example, a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is a equation and also identity. We use symbol for identity. Identically equal to, read as identically equal to. This is the symbol to denote identity. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is equation and also identity, because if we substituted in place of variables a and b any values, it is true. That's why this is a identity. Few more identities. A minus b whole square is identically equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b into a minus b is identically equal to a square minus b square, and a plus b plus c whole square is identically equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and fifth one, x plus a into x plus b is identically equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these are some important identities. Applications of identities. Using identities, we can solve these problems easily. Find 3x plus 4y whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Then we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. In place of a, here we have 3x. In place of b, here we have 4y. So a square 3x whole square plus 2 into, in place of a we have 3x. In place of b, here we have 4y plus b square 4y whole square. 3x whole square is equal to 9x square. 3x whole square, 3x into 3x. So that is equal to 3 3s are 9, x into x square. So like this. Plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, xy, 4 4s are 16, y square. So this is the method of finding using identities. Next, find 204 whole square. Using identity, we can solve this problem. First, we have to write this 200 and 200 plus 4 whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. In place of a, here we have 200. In place of b, here we have 4. So now we have to substitute in this formula. 200 whole square plus 2 into 200 plus into 4 plus 4 whole square. 200 whole square, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros means 4 zeros. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 zeros. 2 2s are 4, 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 2 zeros. 4 square 16. 4 40,000 1600 plus 16 41,616. We can add like this: 40,000 1600 16 61614 41,616. So this is the 204 whole square. Friends, I think you understood each and every concept about algebraic expressions, what we learnt in this video. If there is any doubt, you may comment, you may write in my comment box. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.